discuss about data, types of data, data, types of data, then representation of data, and frequency distribution. So previous class, Shiva sir talk about frequency distribution. So now we'll move to the next topic, that is averages or measures of central tendency. So basically there are three measures. One is mean, and second one median. So first one mean, and second one median, and third one mode. So first one mean, M-E-A-N. Second one median, you can simply note it as M-D, and third one mode. Okay. So these three is called as averages. For averages, we are going to introduce one variable or notation mu. So this is called mu. Mu means averages or mean. When you mentioning our mean, so mu is M. When you mentioning our median, mu of MD. Okay. And same as when you're mentioning our mode value, so we can call it as mu MO. Okay. So these three is nothing but our averages. So mean, median, and mode. So how to differentiate mean, median, and mode? So mean is nothing but a normal average. When you take it as an average value of a sum of observations, observation is nothing but collection of numbers. Suppose we have a 10 numbers, 2, 5, 7, 8, 4, and 7, 3, 6, 9, and 2. So this is the age of some particular students. Okay, we are going to take a age of a particular students. So totally here 10 students. Okay, so first two represent the first age, first student's age. This was second student age of second student. This is third student's age, fourth student, fifth student, so on. So totally we are taking 10 students. Okay, so we are taking the age of 10 students. So for is age, variable is x, then totally we are taking 10 students, that is n. Okay. On average, we can add all the values, we can add all these values and divided by number of students. So when we are adding all this number now, 5 plus 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 14, 14, 22, 22, 24, 26, 26, 36, 42, 51, 53. So 53 by 10, you can get 5.3. So this is our average. Clear? So here, so again I'm telling why my variable is x, Totally there are 10 students. So n is 10. Hmm? So each value is called an observation. So I'm going to find an average. In mathematics, it is called mean. So average is nothing but total age, that is 53, and so on. Then total number of students 10. So I put 10 here. So 53 by 10 equal to 5.3. So average age of the particular 10 students is nothing but 5.3. Now I'm going to make it as a formula now. So now I'm going to make it as a formula. Listen, what is it? Average. For average, I already told that the notation of mu. Okay. So mu, this is the notation for average. Is it visible or no? I don't know. Okay, that is yes. So I'm going to add, okay, values. So for mentioning the addition, I'm going to put sigma. Okay, so what is n? What is this 10? This is nothing but n. Okay, so n is nothing but number of students. So n, I put in here. Then the collection of the addition of all the numbers. For each number I'm mentioning the variable is nothing but x. So I'm going to add all the x values. So I'm putting sigma. So sigma x by n. The formula is mu equal to sigma. I'm going to add all the x values and dividing by total number of observations. Okay. Suppose if I put sigma x, how many x's are there? There are 10 x's because this is x1, or this is x2, this is x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10. Okay. For mentioning the each number, I'm going to put I. It's a general term. If it is x2, means I'm mentioning this 5. If it is x7, I'm going to mention this 3. So in general, I'm going to put I for each term. Okay. So if I put 1, I'm mentioning this 2. So the minimum term is 1. The maximum term is I. Okay. So suppose I'm mentioning x x is nothing but mu equal to summation x I by n. So summation x is nothing but a collection of adding all the numbers and divided by formula for mean. So mean is nothing but averages of all the numbers. Okay. So now next one, median. MEDIAN, median. Notation is MD. Okay. So median is nothing but a center value. Median is nothing but a value. Okay. Median is nothing but a center. There are 10 numbers. Here there are 10 numbers. First one is 2 and second one is 3692. How to find a center value? So before picking your center value, first arrange the numbers as an ascending order. So ascending order means minimum value to maximum value. Ascending order means maximum value. Here, what first value 2, first value 2. Okay, 1 second. So we can move minimum value. First value is 2. Okay. And okay. Yeah. First value is 2. First one value is 2. Second value also 2. Third value is 3. And fourth value is 4. And fifth value is 5. Sixth value is 6. Seventh value is 7. Eighth value also 7. Ninth value is 8. Okay. 10th value 9. Is it correct? Any correction? Okay. So there are 10 numbers, n equal to 10. So totally 10 numbers. So I make it as an array, ascending order from our total observations. So minimum to maximum, that is called ascending order. So this is my ordered or arranged number of the x values. So median is nothing but a center value. Median is nothing but a center value. So I'm going to pick the center value now. How do you pick a center value? Rejected, 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 rejected. How do you pick a center value? So center value equal to 5 and 6. There are 2 center values. Okay. So how do you choose a median now? There are 2 center values, 5 and 6. There are 2 center values, 5 and 6. I need a median of one central value. So this is nothing but 5.5. Okay. This is an average of age when using median. So when using mean, what is my average? 5.3. When I'm using median term, my average is 5.5. Okay. Now, third one, mode. So mode is nothing but maximum repeated value. Maximum repeated value. So now, first value 2 is repeated in 2 times, 3 one time, 4 also one time, 5, 6 also one time, 7 also repeated in 2 times. Okay, 7 also repeated in 2 times. There are 2 numbers repeated. Number 2 repeated 2 times. 7 also repeated 2 times. So there are 2 values repeated, 2 and 7. So here, 2 repeated 2 times, 7 repeated 2 times. So here our mode is 2 or 7. So here our mode is nil. There is no mode value. Okay, there is no mode value. Suppose, for example, if it is repeated 3 times, okay, if it is repeated 3 times, my mode is 7. But in this case, there are 2 values repeated at same count. So there is no mode of this case. Okay? Because 2 and 7s are repeated same count. So there is no mode. Okay? So when you're using your mean, my average is 5.3. And we're using our median, my average is 5.5. When you're using our mode, there is no, we can't find an averages by using our mode. So when you're comparing to mean, median, and mode, so in some cases, our scaling value, when you're using a scaling value, mean is a best one. When you're using a quality values, qualitative and quantitative. When you're using our qualitative values, mean is the best one. Sorry, median is a best one. So when you're using a quantitative value, mean is a best one. Okay. So what is the use of mode? So mode is nothing but a maximum repeated values. Okay. So there are three averages: mean, median, mode. So for mean, number of total of the observation, or adding all the observation values and divided by total number of observations. So we can, in mathematics it is called averages equal to sigma x by n, that is mean. Median is nothing but a central value of observations. So before picking your central value, arrange the numbers as an ascending order. and pick a center value, that is median. And third one, mode is nothing but arrange all the numbers as an ascending order and pick a repeated numbers alone and choose a maximum repeated number, that is mode. Okay. So now I'm going to recall all the steps. First we talk about data. First we call about data, and first one data, second one types of data, and third one representations, that is diagrams or charts, and fourth one frequency distribution. Now we'll talk about averages. Okay, so data, types of data, diagrams or charts, and frequency, and finally it is averages. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you can tell me any doubts now. Ask me now. Do you know any doubts? If you have any doubts, chat me. Only three are. Only three. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.